Okay, so I've removed the belt from the gear mechanism. What was happening was when I engaged the garage door opener, it was not opening, and that's because I realized that the gear was turning this way, which was pushing the garage door to close when it's already closed. So what I need to do is I need to install the belt. Since the trolley is at the extreme end, um, what I need to do is uh, set the gear so that it actually what happens when you click this engage button, it enables the gear to move in the opposite direction of its previous rotation. So we're going to set it so that it's ready to rotate this way rather than this way. Essentially, the motor is confused between the garage open and garage close. So I'm gonna set the motor up so that it's ready for garage open, which is what we want to do right now. So I'll engage it, and then you'll see that the gear is moving this way. And after it finishes moving this way, I'm going to reinstall the belt so that the next time I engage it, it'll move the other way. So let's try this. So if I press this, it should probably rotate this way, which is trying to close the garage door when it's already closed. So let's see. And then just to make sure that it'll reverse the direction, I'm going to press it again and it'll start moving this way. Yeah, it'll move this way. Now I'll have to press it again. So that it moves the other way. I don't know why it takes a while for it to, the lights are flashing or what. Okay, now I've set it to be ready. This is the garage close. Now it's ready for the belt to be installed and ready to for garage open.